Hi, I'm Marika from WoomCommerce. If you're new to Amazon ads or just trying to get a handle on the basics, you're today in the right place. I'm breaking down Amazon Advertisement 101, thinking of it as your crash course on how ads work and why they are crucial for your success. Stick with me for a few minutes and you will get a clear, simple overview on how to get started. Let's start with the most important takeaway. If you want to truly grow your business on Amazon, ads are essential. Organic sales are great, but ads amplify your efforts. The more sales you get through ads, the better Amazon ranks your product organically, creating a positive feedback loop. More visibility leads to more sales, and more sales improves your ranking. But here's the key. This is not an advanced strategy session. We are covering the fundamentals today. So if you are new to Amazon ads, this is all about building a solid fundament. Now, let's take a quick look at the different types of ads on Amazon. I will show you live on a product page so you can see exactly where your ads would appear.
All right. So if we go in this case on Amazon DE and I was searching for a kids kitchen toy. Not sure if that's a good keyword, but it will help for our example for sure. So what is happening once I hit the enter button is that we get to the search result list. So on the search result list, Amazon aims to offer us the most suitable product to make sure that we're buying something. So if you go up, you see up here like this very big banner. This is already a sponsored brands campaign. So that means only available for brands. So if you have a brand that is registered with the Amazon brand registry, this is the opportunity you could use, which is like a very primarily position. If we go down, then we come to the specific results. And then you see below the pictures, it shows here sponsored. And it shows this for all first four products. They're all sponsored. Those are sponsored product campaigns. So that means that those products here are bidding maybe on the keyword kids kitchen toys, or maybe just some of them, or a variation of that, maybe also the category. Once you click on it, so let's not click on the sponsored product, let's choose this one, just coincidentally. Now we are on the product detail page, but here it is not stopping. So you see already here on the top, there is a Merle toy banner saying like, hey, why don't you buy this one, which is a sponsored display. If you go a bit down, there is another one here, also sponsored display. In this case, it's their own product, so they're doing a good thing, protecting their own product detail page. If I go further down, related products with premium delivery on eligible orders. You see here also sponsored, also done through sponsored products campaign. The more you go down, it doesn't stop yet. Here we are on the A+ content for the brand, for the product description. And if you go a bit more down, there comes customers who bought this item also bought. This is not sponsored, but below that, products related to this item also sponsored. So you see here, this is also all done with advertisement. And if you go a bit more down, there's also advertisement on brands again. So this means on the product detail page, you need to make sure that you A, protect your own product detail pages, and B, make sure you use the space of your competitors. And at the same time, the search result list, you need to make sure that you're using advertisement to use the very primarily positions up here, as well as those top listings over there.
Okay, now that we know the types of ads, how do you get started? First, define your goals. If you're launching a new product, focus on visibility. If you're in a competitive niche, prioritize driving sales. Your goals will guide the type of ads you run. Sponsored products are the easiest entry point, perfect for targeting specific keywords and seeing immediate results. My tip, start here, and once you get comfortable, explore sponsored brands and display ads. One thing to remember, Amazon ads are based on a cost per click model, meaning you only pay when someone clicks on your ad. This gives you a full control over your budget, but you will need to manage bids wisely to avoid overspending. Start small, using Amazon's dynamic bidding tool, and review your campaigns weekly to adjust your bids for better performance. Now, before we wrap up, remember, this is just the beginning. Amazon ads are a must-have, but mastering them takes some time. Start with the basics, experiment, and gradually optimize your campaigns. Don't get overwhelmed. Today, we cover the ABCs of Amazon advertisement. If you found this helpful, subscribe for weekly insights on Amazon and marketplace strategies. You can also download my free campaign strategy guide from the description below, where I dive deeper into creating ads that convert. With that being said, happy selling!